We all know how hectic mornings can be, especially when you're striving to maintain a healthy diet. The alarm blares, you hit the snooze button once, twice, and before you know it, you're rushing out the door. Breakfast? Who has the time, right? Well, we often underestimate the power of a good breakfast. It's not just about curbing those mid-morning hunger pangs, it's about fueling your body and mind for the day ahead. A well-rounded breakfast can increase your energy levels, elevate your mood, and boost your productivity. But let's face it, in the whirlwind of morning routines, we sometimes resort to unhealthy quick fixes or skip breakfast altogether. We're here to change that. Today, we're going to dive into quick, easy, and most importantly, healthy breakfast options. Foods that are not only delicious, but also packed with all the nutrients your body needs to kickstart the day. Stay tuned for 3 amazing breakfast recipes that won't take up much of your time. First up is the classic overnight oats, a no-cook method to a hearty and nutritious breakfast. This easy recipe requires simple ingredients: oats, milk, Greek yogurt, chia seeds, and your favorite fruits. To kick off, grab a mason jar or any container with a lid. Start by pouring in half a cup of oats, followed by the same amount of milk. You can use any milk you prefer, be it dairy or plant-based. Next, add a quarter cup of Greek yogurt for that creamy texture and a boost of protein. Sprinkle a tablespoon of chia seeds for fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. Now comes the fun part. Layer your favorite fruits on top. You can go for a tropical mix with mangoes and pineapples, or keep it classic with bananas and berries. The choice is yours. Stir everything together, seal the jar, and let it sit in the fridge overnight. By morning, the oats will have absorbed the liquid, creating a thick, pudding-like breakfast. Prepare this at night and you'll have a ready-to-eat breakfast in the morning. Enjoy it cold or warmed up. This breakfast is not just delicious, but it's also packed with nutrients that will keep you fueled throughout the morning. Our second recipe is a green smoothie, the perfect on-the-go breakfast. Today we're blending up a powerhouse of nutrition that's as vibrant in taste as it is in color. To start, we'll need some power-packed spinach. This leafy green is filled with iron and vitamins A, C, and K, all of which contribute to a healthier immune system. Next, we add in a ripe banana. Not only does it lend a natural sweetness, but it also provides a good dose of potassium, which aids in heart health and blood pressure control. We'll pour in some almond milk, a dairy-free alternative that's lower in calories and higher in vitamins than regular milk. And to round it off, we'll add a scoop of your favorite protein powder to keep you feeling full and energized throughout your day. Blend it all together until it's smooth and creamy. In less than 5 minutes, you have a refreshing and nutritious breakfast smoothie. Don't forget to bring it with you on your way out. Last but not least, let's whip up some avocado toast, a trendy and satisfying breakfast option. This delightful dish is as simple as it is delicious. Our main ingredients are whole grain bread, a ripe avocado, a handful of cherry tomatoes, and a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. Start by toasting your bread to your preferred level of crispiness. While the bread is toasting, slice your ripe avocado and cherry tomatoes. Once your toast is ready, spread the avocado generously over the bread, creating a creamy green layer. Top this off with your sliced cherry tomatoes and finish with a sprinkle of salt and pepper. The beauty of avocado toast lies in its simplicity and its health benefits. Avocados are packed with healthy fats and fiber, offering a slow release of energy to keep you going throughout your busy morning. The whole grain bread provides complex carbs, and the cherry tomatoes offer a burst of fresh flavor and vitamins. In no time at all, you have a delicious, filling, and healthy breakfast ready to be served. There you have it, 3 quick and easy breakfast ideas for your busy mornings. The beauty of these recipes is that they were designed with you and your hectic schedule in mind without having to compromise on health. First, we have the overnight oats, a recipe that allows you to prepare your breakfast the night before. This nutritious meal is packed with fiber and protein to keep you full throughout the morning. Next, we explored the green smoothie, a refreshing and invigorating blend of fruits and vegetables that you can whip up in just a few minutes. It's the perfect on-the-go option for those extra busy days. Finally, we presented the avocado toast, a classic breakfast choice that offers a good balance of healthy fats and whole grains. It's simple, it's quick, and it's utterly delicious. So why not start tomorrow with one of these recipes? We're eager to hear about your culinary adventures. Remember, a healthy day starts with a healthy breakfast. So give these recipes a try and share your experiences in the comments below. Stay healthy. Before we wrap up, we want to remind you to hit that subscribe button. Join our growing community of health enthusiasts and never miss an update. Subscribing to our channel will ensure you're the first to know when we post new videos. This way, you can continue to discover quick, easy, and healthy recipes to add to your repertoire. It's simple to subscribe. Just click the subscribe button below this video. Thank you for watching and for your continued support. Stay tuned for more delicious and nutritious recipes. Until next time, stay healthy and happy cooking.